There's something so comforting about stews, and today I'm going to show you another way in which I make a chicken stew. To get started, I've cut up chicken leg quarters. I've also removed the skin, and I'm going to season it using crushed ginger, garlic, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, all-purpose seasoning, dry thyme, and black pepper. If this is your first time here, please be sure to subscribe. And just a quick reminder that my recipes are always linked below in the description box. If you want to make this recipe, you just have to go below the video and you will see the link, and it will lead you over to my blog, jehancancook.com. Ideally, you want the chicken to season for at least 4 hours, maybe overnight, but I am cooking right away and that's just fine. It's still delicious. And I'm going to let this saute in a bit of oil. And just let this cook without adding any liquid. The chicken will produce its own liquid, and just allow it to cook until that liquid begins to reduce. And now that the liquid has reduced and it looks like this, I'm going to add tomato paste, bay leaf, sliced onion, sliced peppers, carrots, and chicken bouillon and water. Now, if you don't have chicken bouillon, you can use chicken stock or chicken broth in place of that. Whenever I'm stewing chicken, I like to cut it up into pieces, but my husband prefers it if it's whole. Now, I think this has more flavor. Let me know in the comments section how you prefer your chicken, if you like it whole or cut up the way in which I did it. Now, this is the chicken bouillon that I'm using. It's better than bouillon, roasted chicken base, and it adds a ton of savory flavor to the stew. This is a very savory chicken stew, not sweet at all, but it does have that nice, comforting, savory flavor that I like. And I've added 2 riri peppers. You can use whichever hot pepper you prefer, or you can use red pepper flakes. Now I am going to slow cook this for the next about 2.5 hours, but you can finish this off on the stovetop. Just cook it on medium to medium low until the sauce reduces, the vegetables are tender, and it looks like this. And as you can see, it's a pretty simple recipe, but it's so good, it's so comforting. And I'm just going to finish it off with chopped parsley. You can use cilantro, scallion, just to give it that nice brightness, nice fresh element. Of course, I'm going to serve it with rice, because how else would you have stewed chicken? Thank you for joining me, and if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.